Welcome back, guys. So, I would like to welcome you all to this course. And before we dive down to the technical part of this entire course, I would like to first give a brief introduction what this course is all about and what all you would be learning. Before anything starts, I would like to welcome you all to this course and again would like to say thank you for joining this course. Digital marketing, one of the most interesting and talked topic right now. In digital marketing, what will you study, what all you learn, and what will happen after you have certified from this course? Digital marketing, one of the most interesting topic which is right now running across the globe. In digital marketing, there are many things that we need to know before we dive down inside. Many people might be thinking, what is the importance of digital marketing and how it's going to help me in my career growth and many things. So there are basically two types of people that might be opting for digital marketing or for any kind of courses. If I would like to segregate all of you out here, so you'd be falling under two categories. First, who'd like to work for their own business, and second, who'd like to work for some other's business. You might be working for your own startup or any project that you're having right now, or you might be working for some organization where you want to take that organization to the next level. So any of the system, any of the procedures, you all would be following and learning the same things so that you can take up your project or your website or your products to the next level. In digital marketing, there are certain things that we need to know. First is the IIDA model, that is A, I, D and A, IIDA model. The first A stands for awareness, the I stands for interest, the D stands for desire, and last A stands for action. If take us let's consider a small example of I'm having a virtual product like a car that I would like to sell. If the people are not aware about the car or their model or any of the specification, so it is very hard for anyone to expect that they would be purchasing our product. So here comes the role of the first A, that is awareness. So we need to create the awareness in the eyes of the people so that whenever they're considering to take up that product as one of the solution of their problem, they do opt your product. So the awareness can be created in lots of ways. The awareness can be created with the help of the website that you'd be learning, and it can also be created with the help of social media websites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube and many other. It can also be created by appearing or making your informations come on Google, that is done with the help of SEO. So some or other stuff that you're anyways going to learn in the further video series or in this entire course, you'd be using entirely to create an awareness. Now suppose the awareness is created, it's not sufficient that the people would be opting your product or they would be buying it. You need to create an interest in the mind of the people. So here comes the second part, that is I stands for interest. So how to create an interest? The interest is created by pushing some of your USP, some of the knowledge that about your product in the mind of the customer, so that they can draw a comparison or a simile between the different products which are present already in the market. Suppose I'm having a car and they are trying to compare the BHP of the car or the kind number of seats which is available in the car or at what price it is available. So if you are telling your USP and all your stuffs about your car, then it would increase a curiosity in the mind of people. Okay, fine, now I'm little interested in the product, now I've got an awareness. Now what's the third step? That is D, desire to acquire that product. The third stage, desire, comes when you are able to push your information or your knowledge of product better way in compared to the other products which are already present in the market. By giving certain kinds of discounts, certain kinds of like early birds or some goodies along with the product would increase the desire to have it. For example, like suppose whenever any festive season comes, the desire of purchasing the product increases. The products might be there at the back of mind the entire year, But the moment it comes to the festive season, your desire to purchase it increases because they are backing all the products with certain kinds of offers or some discounts and many things. So the intensity of purchasing increases whenever there is certain things associated with it. The moment the desire reaches to a next level, it results to the last action, that is A, that they purchase the product, they do the action. The action is not always in buying the exactly the same stuffs. Suppose I'm a blogger, I'm not selling anything, but what is a user buying for me? The user is buying my knowledge, and they're paying me in terms of time, not in terms of money always. So it's not always that we sell the product always in terms of monetary, it's always that we sell it in terms of different verticals. For example, in terms of money, in terms of time, in terms of like they are considering your brand in compared to other brand. So they are doing an action what exactly that product is made for. If it is a blog, they're taking your knowledge. If it is a product, they're consuming it. If it is service, they're opting your service in compared to any other service present in the market. So when you are thinking of any concept, or you are planning to make your products come in the market live, or trying to engage more and more with the audience, you need to consider all these four options, that is AIDA. You need to make your audience travel all these four options, then only you can expect your products to sell. If he or she is missing any one of the step, then it might be that they may not be retained on your services. They may come down to your service, they may consume it, but there might be always a room for that opportunity that they might opt some other brand if next time they're looking for the same things. So you need to keep on engaging and make them travel through all these four steps to complete the entire process. I hope you have understood this small IIDA model while considering about the digital space. Let's join to the next video where I'll be again telling you about more of these kind of stuffs. Thank you.